Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So this morning I was going to go do some fishing today, but this is not a good day. It's really, really hazy and cold, and I don't think the fish want to jump in this. Um, so yeah, I want to do one last little scroll around. I know in the first video that we did here yesterday, or 2 days ago, pardon me, um, I raved about this campground and how wonderful it is. And let's just take a walk down here to the water and I'll show you why we're not going fishing today. And then I'll tell you why we're leaving. So yesterday, a couple pulled in and I thought, neighbors, wonderful, no problem. I don't have a problem with neighbors. But last evening, they decided to start a fireworks show down on the beach here. And I found that very disturbing for different reasons. One being is that, people have nervous systems disorders, animals, and when you just set off fireworks randomly without letting people around you know, it puts an alarm system off in some people and animals. And I find that disturbing. This is a public campground, nor should you be setting off fireworks in a public campground. Also very disturbing. This is a family place. There's animals here, obviously, and they just decided they wanted to set off fireworks. So I have decided that we're going to leave this campground and go find someplace else to camp. But there's the water. There's the haze, if you can see it across the water there. Yeah, I'm not going fishing out in that. I can't see the fish and they can't see me. So anywho, other than that, it's been a really lovely campground. And like I said, the bathrooms are well kept. Garbage cans are all over the place. And seems like a pretty friendly campground, other than your odd, unruly persons. And if you think about it, no matter where you go, you get unruly people. So whether it's here, there, or anywhere, you have to remember, don't have expectations of anybody else. You can't have expectations of anything but yourself. So, as good of a place as this is, it's just not a great place for me today. Maybe another time, another day. Just not today. And it is off of a main highway. So if you look behind me, just up here, or is it just over there, there's a big metal gate. And, oh, if you can see, there's also one, where is it? Behind us right over here. There's also a metal gate. It's just right there. So we are right off of a highway. This main highway goes up to Tassus. Sorry about the jiggling. Didn't get much sleep last night. So this is, see if we can get this. This is the main highway that goes up to Tassus. So it's not the quietest of parks, but it is a nice park. It's a nice park. But like I said, right behind us is a highway. So this early morning, it's like probably 8:30 in the morning, maybe 8:45, and all you can hear is traffic going by. So yes, it's a beautiful park. Oh, sorry about that. Yes, it's a beautiful park, but the highway being right there, it's just not, the best park. And also to show you that they have these bags for cleaning up your dog mess. So, as we say in van life, leave no trace, leave no footsteps behind. So, on that note, we will end this video, and we will loop it to the first video if we can, and we will leave in the description below exactly the lake that we are at and the campground that this is. And if you feel like coming through here, if you're going to Tassus, this is a very nice park to stop at. I imagine in the summertime it's packed, but in off season, it's a nice little park. But I think that the lake is got fish in it, and in the summertime, I will be back with my fishing rod and do some fishing. But it's just not the weather for it right now. And it's pretty cold. So, but yeah. So the pit houses, there's 2 of them here. And then there's a trail that goes down to the water. And then there's our campsite. And we like to make sure that we leave it nice and clean. Look at that. Nothing left behind. No garbage. There shouldn't be any garbage because there's garbage cans right there. Right there. So no garbage left behind. Leave no trace. And I'll give one last little boo to my campsite here because I really didn't want to leave. But I'm also not going to stay where there's... Oh, just a second, drop my hat. I'm also not going to stay where there's young folks in their 20s drinking alcohol and setting off fireworks, because that's not cool. Just makes me jump nervous and whatnot, and I don't like it. And if that's what they did last night, what will they do tonight? So if you don't like what's going on around you and it makes you feel uncomfortable, leave. That's the thing to do. If that inner core is telling you, no, 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 leave. So I'll give you one more view of the campsite. There's the walkway, and there's the big rocks all the way around. It really is a beautiful site. We did really have a really good campsite. So everybody, on that note, we will see you in another video in another campground. And if you're watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm really sorry for the shakiness on this video. But subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. I really enjoy making videos for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys watching the next one. And until the next video, keep on going.